Hi everyone, in this video we're learning how to find the basis span of a set of row vectors. Let's say we are given a set of row vectors a1, b1 and this, and this, and this. So now how are we going to do this? The first step is that we perform a Gauss method. So that means we'll put it row by row, like this one is for the first row, this one is for the second row, and on until the last set of vectors which will go to the last row. We will then reduce this matrix to row echelon form, and after this we will collect together all the rows with leading entries, and after this the basis can be written as the collection of the rows with the leading entries based on the row echelon form matrix. Let's start. Let's have an example of a set of row vectors. So we are given this set of row vectors 1, 3, minus 1, 3, 1, 4, and 2, 1. So let's perform step 1, which is to apply Gaussian method. So we can write as 1, 3, minus 1, 3, 1, 4, and last one, 2, 1. So this will be our matrix. And now, step 2, reduce it to row echelon form. Step 2, so now 1, 3, minus 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1. So this is our row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. So you want to eliminate the entry below 1 in the first column, which is minus 1, 1 and 2. So first step is minus 1 times of row 1. Sorry about that. It will be 1, row 1, add row 1 to row 2. And also for this, to eliminate the 1 entry here, is minus 1 times of row 1, add to row 3. And also for this, to eliminate 2 is minus 2 times of row 1, add to row 4. Hence, the first row will not be affected. 1, 3, And for this, so for row 2, it will be 1 minus 1 equals to 0. For the second column, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. And for this, for the third row, is minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. And this is minus 3 plus 4 equals to 1. And for this, for the fourth row, is minus 2 times 1 equals to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 equals to 0. And for this is minus 2 times 3 equals to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 equals to minus 5. And now, let's eliminate. So this is our new first row, new second row, new third row, and new fourth row. So for this, to make it an echelon form, to eliminate the entry below 6, which is 1 and minus 5. So from here, we can, to eliminate the entry in the third row is minus 1 over 6 times the second row plus the third row. And for this, to eliminate this entry here, so it's minus, so it's 5 over 6 times row 2 plus row 4. So we get again 1, 3, 0, 6. And this will go to 0 because minus 1 over 6 times 6 equals to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. And this will also go to 0 as well. Hence, from here, the system is in row echelon form. So step 2 is done. Now step 3, we identify the row. So from here, this one and this one, row 1 and row 2 have leading entries. As you can see here. And now step 4, we can write the basis as basis can be written as 1, 3, and this one can be, this one we can simplify as 0, 6. So therefore it will go as 0, 1 because it will be divided by 6. So it's 1, 3, 0, 1. So this is our basis for the span of a set of row vectors of these 4 vectors here. And we have come to the end of this lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to look through my previous video or drop me a comment and I'll reply to your comment. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.